8 pork products crammed into one huge pork patty.
What's up, Internet? I'm the Sauce Boss from Epic Mealtime. I'm here with my boy,
Chef Atari. Today we're going to be baking the Power Pork Patty, but a little toned down, scaled down version that you can make in your home in your small ovens. And we didn't stop there. We're going to even bacon wrap that in a bacon weave.
Let's make it happen. So the Power Pork Patty is special because when you're constantly thinking up recipes, we always have to reach into the deepest, darkest corners of what could be or should be a meal.
Everybody's always like, oh my God, I'd love to eat an epic meal, oh my God. And then you put them in front of an epic meal, they don't even know what to do with it. Like they don't even know their first bite or how to even approach it. And then it's like, exactly. People sometimes just get a little scared or a little shocked at how big these larger than life meals are.
Epic Mealtime's always been about innovation, and I saw in the food game there was just lots of meals that could be taken to the next level that weren't being taken to the next level. Whenever I have a crazy idea, I go up to Amir and I'm like, let's make it happen. He's like, it sounds impossible. I'm like, wow. That's your job. And he makes it happen. He makes the impossible possible.
We call ourselves Google chefs. We see it, we look at it, and we multiply the hell out of it. So my role on Epic Mealtime is bacon manipulation transformation engineer.
Once we first started out, it was just like, we were just joking around and having a good time, but then there were, leading minds in the culinary world looking to us to see what we were doing. We have now become the forefront of ridiculous meal concepts.
Being a guerrilla chef, cooking unconventionally is the science. There's never ever really a right or wrong way to cook, so just go for it. I've never thought I'd be cooking an ostrich egg on the side of Arnold Schwarzenegger's tank. We made the steak and egger sandwich. Steak and egger.
Pure pork deliciousness. This is like a personal pork patty. Still powerful. You got that sweetness from the ham in there, saltiness from the sausage.
Yep, that's a mini Power Pork Patty.
Feels delicious on my Power Pork palate.
Oh, yes!